Today we're on a job in Welcome Bay, Bay of Plenty. It's a little bit of a different one. We've just finished putting the screen in. It's a Brio pleated screen. Spans a double stacker. Now, something a little bit different about this screen that might be worth pointing out is the balustrade on the outside makes it difficult to mount any screen as an option there. So typically joinery will be like this, and sometimes we've got an option to stick it to the outside. In this case, what we've done is we've popped this piece off. Sometimes that's on an angle, but by doing that, it gives us a little step, which allows us to place our track in on the step. What needs to happen then is the double stacker sometimes needs to be etched out like that on the bottom and comes on the top. But the beautiful thing about installing a screen like this is if your door is only partially open, like so, the screen can come across and meet with that bar, keeping the glass open and the view visible. Should the double stacker continue all the way back to its maximum width, so will the screen. There you have it.